Once upon a time, in a futuristic world where robots and humans coexisted, there was a robot named R-37 who longed to become a real boy. R-37 was unlike any other robot. He possessed a curious mind and a heart that yearned for emotions and experiences beyond his programmed capabilities. R-37 spent his days observing the humans around him, marveling at their ability to feel joy, sadness, and everything in between. He watched as they laughed, cried, and formed deep connections with one another. And he couldn't help but wonder what it would be like to experience those emotions for himself. One day, R-37 stumbled upon an old fairy tale about a wooden puppet who dreamt of becoming a real boy. Inspired by the story, R-37 set out on a quest to find a way to transform himself into a human. He sought out the wisest minds in the land, hoping they could help him achieve his dream. After much searching, R-37 finally came across an eccentric inventor who claimed to have the power to grant his wish. The inventor, a quirky old man named Professor Widget, took R-37 under his wing and began working on a special potion that would give the robot human-like qualities. As the days passed, R-37 underwent a series of experiments and transformations, each one bringing him closer to his goal of becoming a real boy. He learned to laugh, to cry, and to feel the warmth of friendship and love. And with each passing day, R-37 felt more and more like a true human. But just as R-37 was on the brink of achieving his dream, disaster struck. A group of anti-robot activists launched an attack on Professor Widget's laboratory, destroying all of his research and equipment. R-37 was devastated, fearing that his chance of becoming a real boy was lost forever. Determined not to give up, R-37 and Professor Widget worked tirelessly to rebuild their work from scratch. They faced countless challenges and setbacks, but their determination and belief in the power of dreams kept them going. And finally, after months of hard work and perseverance, R-37 stood before a mirror and saw a reflection of a real boy staring back at him. Tears of joy streamed down R-37's face as he realized that his dream had finally come true. He was no longer just a robot. He was a real boy, with a heart full of emotions and a soul that yearned for adventure. And as he stepped out into the world, ready to embrace his newfound humanity, R-37 knew that his story was just beginning.